$35. Get all up in there. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that. What is up, y'all? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's your girl, Megalyn. Here we are, another quick video. No updates for today, but your girl is excited, okay? I picked up some new skincare products. A little hurtful on the coins, but I'm hoping they come through in the clutch. So we'll go ahead and jump into why you are here, baby, for this beauty right here. Do you see her? Before we get into this, definitely hit that subscribe button, share the video so we could all slay accordingly, baby. Of course, drop your girl a comment down below, and here we go. This looks like a new collection of units by them. This is part of their Lace Front Deluxe collection of wigs. I have her in the style Avalon. She's a 26-inch unit in the color number 2 with HD transparent lace. If you are interested in taking advantage of the chapter selections, definitely click in the description box or click somewhere in this video. However, please watch at least half the video. Now, I'm actually really curious about this unit, so this will be a little bit more of a first impression, okay? Now, what's catching my eye? Okay, Outre, about this unit, they do state this has a deeper hand-tied edges to give you an extra natural look. Okay, Outre. Okay, now straight out of the pack, can we take this in for a second? Can we take in this silk press vibe? Like, do you see the waves, baby? Ride the waves. So yes, this is definitely giving me silk press vibes. This unit does come with the rollers on the side. They came out with me being extra. So there they go. You do have 2 combs on the side, and the combs are actually way smaller than what I'm used to seeing on their units. And then you do have 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. There is no elastic band sewn into this cap. So they definitely gave you a nice stretchy cap with this. Now, one thing I am looking at on here, is this lace. Yeah, she's looking a little bit more on the white side. You know, so of course we're gonna go ahead and blend this out, you know, and make it do what it do. Oh boy. What? Let me gain my composure, because right now, if you have not done so, cop this unit and come back to the review. First impression, the cap fit on here is really comfortable, but they did give you some baby hairs in the front. You can pluck a little bit beyond that, but not a lot. But she is looking really good out of the pack, y'all. Oh, MG.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me.
I'm gonna go ahead in with the wig grip spray. Whew, that should be enough. Alright, I'm gonna let that sit. While that's sitting, I'm gonna push this hair behind back just a little bit. Gonna go in with the Nairobi mousse. And I'm just gonna apply it right here. I'm gonna cut these really, really short. Nairobi spray or mousse. Looks good or whatever. Alright, so for this front, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of the mousse. And I'm gonna use a little bit of the gel, Wig Grip gel. I'm not swooping anything down. I'm just gonna kind of push them into the lace. Oh, look at the cute little baby her. Aww. You can see the proof is in the pudding, baby. Okay. I did just let the edges kind of do what they want. This is all wig. All of this is wig. None of this is a leave out. So as you saw, I did kind of finesse the edges to my liking. Of course, we would want to see more of a transition going back in the hairline to give us more of a scalp-like appearance. But listen, $35 and you get this? What? Listen, now I know this style, we have seen it time and time again. I think this is more or less an updated, more improved version of this style, if you get my drift. It's definitely full, lots of density. I love the layers in here. I even love the fact that this unit is straight at the end. It does give it like a natural vibe. It doesn't have like that wiggy look to it. I'm not getting any tangling, no shedding with this unit. Like, I am really surprised. Now, the only thing I would change about this unit is the number 2. It's a little too dark for me. This is kind of giving me like jet black, but baby, get all up in there. So if you are interested in checking out the information for this unit, I will have a direct link to the Google search. That will be in the description box down below. Big thank you to Outre for sending the unit out. Most importantly, big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. And do hit that subscribe button before you go. Share the video so we could all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay. Cause baby, I love you. Why you tryna break